Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick tour of my MacBook Pro. Okay, so we'll start with the ports. We have the MagSafe power adapter, Ethernet cable, Firewire 800, mini DisplayPort, and 2 USBs, SD card slot, audio in and audio out, or the other way around. On the other side, all we have is your Kensington lock and your CD drive. Now this isn't the normal MacBook Pro 15-inch, it's the 2.66 GHz version. It's got a 320 gig hard drive and 4 gig of RAM, 2 graphics cards, and that's really it. So thanks for watching guys, that was just a quick tour on my MacBook Pro. Thanks guys.